lay behind your name. A whisper lost inside a world that never stays the same. Your shadow lingers where the memories remain, soft as dying embers falling like ashes in the rain. I try to speak, but every word just breaks. Your silence is the echo only empty rooms can make. If time could heal what love could not,